let's start a vlog, but let's choose a more flattering angle, please. We're starting off this new vlog today because I'm actually leaving the house. Unfortunately, there's no dogs allowed, but I'm going to a pumpkin patch. It's a little bit of a drive away, so I think I'll grab coffee first, but I'm trying to think of what I should wear. Either a cardigan or a blazer or something like that. Why do I want to wear that so badly? I have to convince myself. Look how big you look at this angle. Oh, even bigger. This is Clifford, the big white dog. This is actually how big he is. I might convince myself to wear pants. I have these fake suede boots from Amazon that I was going to get rid of because they've just lost their shape, and I purchased replacements. So I was going to wear those to the pumpkin patch, but it's still like that suede material, and it would just be uncomfortable. I think I have some kind of inkling of what I might wear, maybe. I have no idea what to wear, but I'm excited to be going. So this is like fun. I'm really excited. Are you excited? There's things you can do too. We'll definitely take you to the park or something to make up for you not being able to partake. Cindy's here too. She's just on her bed, chilling, loving life because she's a homebody. Yeah, we just wanted to film a little bit of this day because that's fun, right? Pumpkin patch. Pumpkin patch, fall foods and all that. I'll bring this camera too because it's a bit better quality than my phone. Not right now because this light is overexposing me, but yeah, let's pick something. Let's pick something to wear. I hurt my back last night. I was like sitting on my couch incorrectly when I was editing my last upload, and now my back hurts really badly, but I'll still be lifting pumpkins and all that. Don't you worry. Okay, so honestly, this is not like the most life-changing outfit, but she's very comfortable and it's not trying too hard, you know what I mean? I just keep seeing all those memes of, well, I didn't want to do too much. I do want to pick out pumpkins and all that, or at least take photos in them. So yeah, this is what I'll be wearing. The wedge is brown, so it matches my purse. I washed my hair last night, so that's why it looks like this. Yeah, I'm trying to like back comb it and just like zhuzh it up. I'm gonna eat some very delicious stuff for here in the sun. We relocated because it smelled like private dining. This is our third relocation for eating, but they didn't tell us there was like super private, like covered cement area. This is like a proper building. Outside was like stands or whatever in a bottega. The thing with the cover, Vanetta. What is it called? Gazebo. And it was all full, so we went. And then we moved, and then we were eating by the stairs. Oh, this is our fourth relocation, but finally they told us about this place, and it's like pretty empty. So it's weird that this is empty and then the other place is all full, but it's like a private dining experience, so I don't mind. Private-ish. It's like an animal, and I smell like butter. I love pumpkin patches. Pumpkins. Oh, just kidding. You look like Cindy. Hi. You look like Cindy. Hello there. Hi. Okay, so we just left the pumpkin patch. That was so fun. It's really warm today, but it was like the perfect trip to come and just eat and enjoy and see the pumpkins and grab some pumpkin patch food. I wanted to do that on a more casual day and then definitely come back like like, what is it, like, it's a lot of degrees right now, it's hot, but I wanted to come back like on an overcast day and then take some cool photos or something, I think, for the gram. I fell in love with those goats. I didn't think I would, but how cute were they? The one was trying to eat, the one who looked like Cindy was like trying to eat and like put their mouth on my hand, so I don't know if I have like a disease now, but still really cute, and that was fun. So perfect first pumpkin patch visit of the season. I purchased tickets but like never even used them because no one was collecting any tickets and they were on my phone, and the tickets even look weird. They were on this like random app, whatever. Super fun. My tummy is full and we still have some apple cider donuts, and yeah.